you doing, guys? I hope you're doing well. Yes, I am angry. Yes, Jaguar is out. But I'm going to put him back because I don't want him to be biting people all around during the day. People that are innocent, nothing to do with the reason why Jaguar is out. Anger is an emotion. What does that mean? We don't judge the emotion. It's not good, not bad. It's there to give you a message. So recognize the emotion. Anger can actually help you take the appropriate actions, not out of the anger, but from the message it's giving you. So the first thing you want to know is what is behind your anger? What made you angry? Because behind anger, there's another emotion. Were you embarrassed? Were you feeling overpowered? Were you feeling hurt? Were you feeling stupid? There's many reasons why you might be angry. If I tell something that hurts your feeling, you'll be angry at me. So what we're going to see is the anger. But behind the anger is you being hurt. So first thing, know the reason behind your anger. Two, start recognizing your triggers and how do you feel it in your body. Is it tension there? Is there clenching? Are you clenching your jaw? Is it the body temperature raising? Is it your heartbeat going faster? Is it your mouth getting dry? If you find out early in the anger rising, the easier it's going to be for you to make peace with anger. But if you reach the point where it's over you, that's when you might say or do things that you will regret after. So the better you know your signs, the better you know the reasons and your triggers, the easier it's going to be for you to make peace with your anger. So you know where it is in your body. You know the reason why behind. The third thing is once you feel that, cool down, step back. Remember, how do you do that? You breathe deeply and you come back in the present, because when you start feeling angry, your mind is going like crazy and you're already in the past, what that person already say, in the future, what you will do, what you will say, what you want. Shh, step back here, back in the present moment. You breathe deeply. You count backward. 1999, 998, 997, and so on and so on and so on. Or alphabet, same thing, backwards. Anything that's going to take a bit of your attention away from that feeling of anger. So you do that until you calm down and you keep on breathing deeply. If you can, you inhale on a count of 5, you hold for 8, and you exhale for a count of 10. And you do that several times. What's that going to do? It's going to bring your sympathetic system, parasympathetic system down. It's going to help you to calm down, because that's what you want to do. You're angry, you know why you're angry, you know where you feel angry, and now you calm down. And once you calm down, and maybe the calming down might mean you telling the person, I'm going to leave now, but I'll come back. Because maybe at that moment, there's no way you are able to calm down and to come with a solution. So retreat. Once you've done that, think about the solution, not the problem. Don't think about what they say, what they did, what should have been, how come, how can I solve that? How can I solve that? Focus on the solution. Focus on what you want to achieve and not on the problem, on the issue, on what was said or done. What's the solution for that? That's the last step. Maybe you have to plan some difficult conversation with that person or those person, but think about the solution. And then generally, what's important with anger or any other emotion, you have to keep your emotional state in balance. And how do you do this? Good sleep. You have to regenerate sleeping, going in nature, doing stuff that you love. Because if you're tired, if you don't eat properly, if you don't exercise, you're not going to have actually the emotional stability that you would have doing all these things. So keep your emotional balance in check and work on your anger so that Jaguar can sleep quietly. Ciao.